Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! For today's video, we will be discussing some topics from human behavior in an organization, which is attitude and job satisfaction. Pero bago tayo tumungo sa ating main discussion, papyawan muna natin ang kahulugan ng salitang attitude. Attitude is a settled way of thinking or feeling about something or someone that typically reflects to one person's behavior. At alam mo ba, mga kadesay, na mayroong negative attachment ang salitang attitude.
Paano masabi?
Dahil karaniwan itong ginagamit ng mga kabataan upang i-describe ang isang katangian ng ibang tao na hindi nila nagustuhan. Gaya na lamang ng attitude ka sis, attitude ka girl, na para sa akin ay hindi tama dahil ito ay nagre-resulta na mapunta sa mindset ng ibang tao na ang kahulugan ng attitude ay negative lamang. Ngunit alam mo ba na mayroong positive attitude na kung saan ay tinitingnan mo ang isang bagay o isang pangyayari bilang isang opportunity or magandang bagay na napapanahon ngayon na dapat maging positive thinker pa din tayo kahit may mga problema tayong kinakaharap. Nabitin ka ba? Keep watching lang dahil tutungo na tayo sa ating mga next topics.
What is attitude? A settled way of thinking or feeling about someone or something, typically one that is reflected in a person's behavior, because they are linked with perception, learning, emotion, and motivation. Attitude also form the basis for job satisfaction in the workplace.
The main components of attitudes. Attitude consists of the following components. 1. Cognitive. 2. Affective. 3. Behavioral. The cognitive components of attitudes refers to the opinion or belief segment. For example, an opinion of my boss is fickle-minded. He cannot stick to his decision. The affective components of an attitude refers to the emotional or feeling segment. For example, towards someone or something. For example, the action indicated in the I have requested a transfer to another department from my superiors.
Differences in personal disposition. People differ in their personal disposition. Some have attitudes that are positively affective, while some have negatively affective attitudes. Positive affectivity refers to personal characteristic of employees that inclines them to be predisposed to be satisfied at work. People who have positive affectivity are optimistic, upbeat, cheerful, and courteous. Negative affectivity refers to personal characteristic of employees that inclines them to be predisposed to be dissatisfied at work. People who have negative affectivity are generally pessimistic, downbeat, irritable, and sometimes abrasive. Managers and supervisors will benefit from knowing the personal disposition of their subordinates. Their decisions regarding training, hiring, and promotion could be made better.
Details of
Job security.
Ways of measuring job satisfaction. Job satisfaction may be measured by using any of the following approaches. 1. The single global rating method, which refers to that approach where individuals are asked to respond to a single question, such as, how satisfied are you with your job?
These are the example of way of measuring using single global rating method. The respondents indicates their answers by putting a check before any of the numbers from 5 to 10. First, highly satisfied. Second, moderately satisfied. Third, indifferent. Fourth, moderately dissatisfied. Fifth, highly dissatisfied.
2. An illustration of the summation score method is provided below.
Supervision. Fifth, co-workers.
Job involvement is another positive employee attitudes. It refers to the degree which a person identifies with a job, actively participates in it, and considers performance important self-worth. People who are really involved in their jobs view as a central part of their overall lives. A positive self-image is a result of a person's holding a meaningful job and actively performing it. People with a high degree of job involvement will seldom be late or absent. They are willing to work long hours if necessary, and they will strive to be high performers.
Organizational commitment is defined as a view of an organization's member psychology towards of his or her attachment to organization that he or she is working for. Organizational commitment plays a pivotal role in determining whether an employee will stay with the organization for a longer period of time and work passionately towards achieving the organization's goal. Theory of organizational commitment. A distinguished theory on organizational commitment is a three-component model, or the TCM. According to this theory, there are three distinct components of organizational commitment. 1. Affective commitment. This is the emotional attachment of an employee towards the organization. 2. Continuous commitment. This is the level of commitment where an employee would think that leaving an organization would be costly. 3. Normative commitment. This is the level of commitment where an employee feels obligated to stay in the organization.
Nandito na naman nga ako, guys! What? Bago natin i-end ang vlog na ito, tayo nagsasanitize ng kamay gamit ang alcohol sanitizers o pag-uugas ng kamay. I-promote din natin ang social distancing. At kung hindi mahalaga ang inyong lakad, ay huwag na tayong lumabas ng bahay at manatili na lang tayo kasama ng ating mga mahal sa buhay. And guys, palagi lang tayo mag-pray kay Lord dahil alam kong matatapos din ito dahil sa tulong niya. And keep safe, God bless, goodbye guys, thank you!